Okay, we're going to look at lesson 1 with translations. Okay, so when you translate an object, you slide it. Okay, so it's like going, you can go up, you can go right, down, or left. That's what it's doing. So translate this object 2 right and 1 up. So you're going to take a point, you're going to go 1, 2, and then 1 up. So if this was A, this is A prime. Okay, so then if this is B, I'm going to go 1, 2, and 1 up. Okay, I'm going to do, let's call this C. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 up, C prime, and D, so 1, 2, 1, etc. Okay, so it looks starting to look like this, and now I can see I'm going to go there, and then I go 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's call this H. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and 1 up. So there you can see my new shape. Maybe I'll make it highlighted so you can see it. So there's the new shape, okay? So here's what happens. You move the X points, so X moves this way. So if you go right, it's positive, and if you go left on an X-axis, it's a negative direction. Then you can also move Y, which moves up and down. So up is positive and down is negative for the Y. Okay, so that's what's happening. Okay, so write the new points if an object gets translated 7 left. So 7 left means I'm working with the X and I'm going to subtract 7. Okay, so subtract 7 is negative 10, subtract 7 is negative 3, subtract 7 is 0, subtract 7 is negative 15. 3 up. So I'm working with my Y, and up means to add 3. Okay, so this is 12, this is 2, negative 6, and 9. Okay, the only other thing you might have to do in this unit is if I give you points. So if I give you a point 5, negative 2, and then the new point, if I say is negative 1, 3, what was the translation? Okay, so from 5 to negative 1, what did you do? It's a negative 6. So that means you went left 6, and then what happened from negative 2 to 3? That was an addition of 5. So in the Y, that would mean up 5. Okay? So be able to do, if I give you a point, translate it, or if I give you 2 points, what was the translation?